If Microsoft Edge is showing an HTTP error 407, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue often happens because of a bad cache, a conflicting extension, or a VPN that's interfering with your connection. So if you're trying to load a website and Edge keeps blocking access, follow these steps carefully. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. First, let's clear the browser data in Microsoft Edge. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure you select cookies and cached files, and if needed, choose the time range for all time so everything is removed. Clearing this data can fix damaged session files and stored information that may be causing the error. Once you've selected the right options, click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. After that, try refreshing the page and check whether the error is gone. If you still see HTTP error 407, the next step is to turn off your VPN. A VPN can sometimes route traffic in a way that triggers authentication or proxy-related errors in Edge. So open your VPN app and disconnect it completely. If your VPN is built into a browser extension or a security tool, make sure it is fully disabled, not just paused. Then go back to Microsoft Edge and test the website again. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to do is disable your browser extensions. Extensions can conflict with websites, block connections, or interfere with authentication requests. To do this, go to the Edge extensions page and toggle off all extensions one by one, or disable them all at once if that option is available. Once every extension is turned off, restart Edge and try the website again. If the page loads normally now, you found the cause. You can then turn extensions back on one at a time to see which one was creating the problem. In most cases, one of these three fixes clears the HTTP error 407 in Microsoft Edge: clearing cookies and cache, turning off the VPN, or disabling extensions. If the error is still there after trying all of these, you may want to check your proxy settings or try resetting Edge next. But for many users, these steps solve the issue right away. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.